Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove without breaking your Honda emblem on a older model Honda. This is a 91 Honda Civic wagon hood. I'm using this little cell phone toolkit that I got from replacing a screen one time, and I figure if it's delicate enough to lift up a screen on a cell phone, maybe I'll have some luck with this thing here. So I have this little tool right here, and it has this little hook on it. Let's see if my camera will focus. See that it has an edge to it, so you can reach up and under the tight fitting. And so I have it right in the middle because there's a pinhole right here and well, not a pinhole, there's a hole right here and a hole right here, and the little plastic bushing that sits up in there. So I'm just going to go ahead and try to wiggle these back and forth here, focusing on the center of the emblem. Try to get under here really quick too. It's starting to lift up, it's just not going all the way. But the key here is just to be very slow and careful with your movements here, and you're just going to wiggle back and forth, back and forth. See how this side's already gone, loosened up. I'm going to use this other little flat pry tool here and just kind of wiggle them out. Voila! Not a single crack in the chrome. The positioning anchors are in the right spot, and I can sand this down and paint it and put this back on, and it'll look brand new. So that's how you remove a 31-year-old Honda emblem off of your hood. Very simple. Just take your time. Don't try to rush this because this plastic is very brittle. Oops. That would have been funny if I just broke it. This plastic is very brittle from, being cooked for 30 years out in the sun. So as long as these little bushings right here are in good condition, you can just put that right back on when you're done painting your hood.